Hey guys, hope you are all doing good. In this video we are going to see CA Foundation Mathematics Chapter 1 Ratios and Proportions Additional Questions. Right? So let's get into the video. Okay, let's do the 9th problem. Show that x power b plus c by c minus a whole to the power 1 by a minus b. We know that x power m whole to the power n is equal to x power m into n, right? So you can write this as x to the power b plus c by c minus a into 1 by a minus b. Okay. Similarly, you can write the other two, x to the power c plus a by a minus b. So this is x to the power b plus c into 1 is b plus c by c minus a into a minus b. Okay. Next, into x to the power c plus a into 1 is c plus a minus b into b minus c, into x to the power a plus b divided by b minus c into c minus a. Okay. Now this is equal, you're having base as x. So let us take x to the power. If you have x power m into x to the power n, then this is equal x power m plus n, right? So now you can add the powers. B plus c by c minus a into a minus b plus c plus a divided by a minus b into b minus c plus a plus b by b minus c into c minus a. Okay. Now let's write the LCM of this. Now LCM of the denominator is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So on the numerator you will have b plus c into, to get the same LCM term, what will you do? Here the missing term is a minus b, c minus a. The missing term is b minus c. So just multiply the numerator by b minus c. Plus here the missing term is c minus a. So multiply c plus a by c minus a. Plus here it is a plus b into missing term is a minus b. So multiply a minus b. Okay. Now you know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So your numerator will become x to the power b plus c into b minus c is b square minus c square. B square minus c square. C plus a into c minus a is c square minus a square. And a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Divided by the denominator. Okay, so this is equal x to the power b square gets cancelled, c square gets cancelled, and this will get cancelled. So therefore your answer will be x to the power 0 by denominator value. So that is 0. Any number power 0 is 1. So your answer will be 1. Okay, 10th problem. X power b by x power c, the whole power a. Okay. So we know that x power m by x power n is x to the power of m minus n. If the terms are in division, you can subtract the powers. So here we have same base x. So you can subtract the powers. You can write this as x to the power of b minus c whole to the power a. Okay. Into x to the power of c minus a whole power b into x to the power of a minus b whole to the power c. Okay, this is equal. We have x power m whole power n type, that is x to the power of m into n. You can multiply the powers. So write this as x to the power of a into b minus c. Okay, you can directly write this Okay, otherwise b into c minus a into x to the power of c into a minus b. So this is equal x power a into b is ab minus ac into x to the power of bc minus ba into x to the power of ca minus cb. Okay, we have same base. X power m into x to the power of n is x to the power of m plus n, right? You can write this as x to the power of AB minus AC plus BC minus BA plus CA minus CB. AB and AB gets cancelled, AC and CA, BC and CB. So everything gets cancelled. This is equal x to the power of 0. Any number power 0 is 1. So x power 0 is 1. Your answer is 1. Okay, 11th problem. X to the power b by x to the power c power 1 by bc. So you can write this x power m by x power n. What is it? X to the power of m minus n. So you can write this as x to the power of b minus c whole to the power 1 by bc. Similarly, let's write the other two. X to the power of c minus a whole to the power 1 by ca into x power a minus b whole to the power 1 by ab. Okay, now we are using the next property. X power m whole to the power n is x to the power of mn. So let's multiply the powers. B minus c by bc into x to the power of c minus a by ca into x to the power of a minus b by ab. Okay, now you have the same base, so you can add the powers. X power b minus c by bc plus c minus a by ca plus a minus b by ab. Okay, now your LCM will be abc, right? X to the power, LCM of this is abc. So b minus c, the missing term here is a. So multiply the numerator by a. Clear? C minus a into the missing term in your denominator is b. So multiply this with b. A minus b into the missing term is c. So multiply this with c. Okay. So this will be x to the power of b minus c into a is ba or ab. ab minus ca plus similarly here cb minus AB plus AC minus BC, AC minus BC divided by ABC. Now this will be x to the power of AB minus AB gets cancelled, CA minus CA plus AC and CB minus BC, everything gets cancelled. So 0 divided by ABC is 0, that is equal to 1. So C is your answer. Now, if you have any doubt in taking LCM, you can directly do the problem. So, that is BC, CA, AB are your denominators, right? So, you can divide the terms by A. So, when you divide it by A, BC, in BC you are not having A. So, let's write BC as it is. CA is divisible by A, so the answer will be C. AB by A is B. Okay. Again you have B here. So let's divide this by B. Okay. BC divided by B is C. In the C you're not having B. So let's write as it is. Now B divided by B is 1. So here we have C. Okay. So when divided by C, we'll have 1, 1. And 1 is not divisible by C, so your answer will be 1. Then multiply these terms A into B into C. So in this way you can find the LCM, right? Another way you can find LCM. So let's take the first two terms. Here you're having B, C and C. Just write the terms A, B, C. Here C is repeating, so write it once. Clear? Now, adding the next term, your denominator is AB. already we are having AB. So this will be your LCM, right? Suppose if you have D here, you have to add D here. So then ABCD will be your LCM. Okay, I think it is clear for you. 12th problem. Show that x power a by x power b whole to the power a squared plus ab plus b squared. So as we know, x power a by x power b is x to the power a minus b, right? So this is x power a minus b, okay, whole power a squared plus ab plus b squared into x power, similarly b minus c whole power b squared plus bc plus c squared into x power c minus a whole power c squared plus ca plus a squared. Okay. Now x power m whole power n, which is equal to x to the power of m into n, m multiplied by n. Okay. So you can write this as is equal to x power a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared into x to the power of b minus c into b squared plus bc plus c squared into x to the power of c minus a into c squared plus ca plus a squared. Okay. Now this is equal. Now your bases are same. So therefore you can add the power because the terms are in multiplication. So when you add the power, before adding, let's write like this. A minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared is a formula for a cube minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is a formula. So let us apply here. A minus b into this is a cube minus b cube into, now here x to the power of b minus c into b squared plus bc plus c squared. So by using the formula, this is b cube minus c cube. Similarly for this, x to the power of c minus a into this thing. So this is c cube minus a cube. Okay, now your bases are same. So you can add the powers because the terms are in multiplication. So this is a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Okay. Now a cube, b cube, c cube gets cancelled. So this is equal x power 0. Now what is x power 0? That is 1. Okay, that is your answer. So next problem is if 2 to the power of x plus y is equal to 4 into 8 into 16, then x plus y the whole square is equal to, okay. Whenever you are asked to find the power term, x plus y is your power, right? So whenever you are asked to find the power, then you have to make either side of the equation to have the base as same. Okay. Now this is 2 to the power x plus y. So you should make this calculations or this multiplication as 2 power term. Okay. So 2 to the power of x plus y is equal to 4. You can write it as 2 square, and 8 it is 2 cube, and 16 it is 2 to the power 4. Now everything has the same base and the terms are in multiplication. So you can add the powers, right? 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. So 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power 9. So you are having the same base. So you can equate the power. X plus y is equal to 9. Now what is x plus y square? It is so simple, right? So 9 square is 81. So this is your answer. 14th problem. Show that x power b by x power c to the power b plus c minus a. Okay. Since you're having x power b by x power c, you can subtract the power, right? B minus c, okay, whole to the power b plus c minus a into x power c minus a whole power c plus a minus b into x to the power of a minus b whole power a plus b minus c. So this is equal. So x power n whole power n type. So you can multiply the powers, right? X power b minus c into b plus c minus a into x power c minus a into c plus a minus b into x power a minus b into a plus b minus c. Okay. So this is equal x to the power of, now let us multiply this. Okay. B minus b into b, b square, b into c, bc, b into a minus ab minus cb minus c square minus into minus plus ca. Okay. Similarly, here x to the power of c squared. Okay, you can directly multiply c minus a into c plus a is c squared minus a squared. Then you can just multiply c minus a with this minus b. That is also correct. Okay, c into c, c squared plus ca minus cb minus ac minus a squared minus into minus plus ab. Okay, similarly multiply by this as well, multiply by x to the power of a is a squared plus ab minus ac minus ba minus b squared minus into minus plus bc. Okay, now that is equal to, now b squared, x power b squared, then bc, cb gets cancelled, minus ab minus c squared plus ca. Okay, next one. Everything is in multiplication, right? So you can add the power. I'm writing directly. Now this is c squared, ca minus ac gets cancelled. So this is okay, minus cb minus a squared, then plus ab. Here it is a squared plus ab minus ba gets cancelled. So minus ac minus b squared plus bc. Okay, now let's see. B squared minus b squared gets cancelled. Minus ab plus ab minus c squared plus c squared plus ca minus ac minus cb, then plus bc minus a squared plus a squared. Everything gets cancelled. So this is equal to x power 0 equal to 1. 1 is your answer. I hope this video is useful to you. If so, kindly share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.